Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with another Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. I did get a $5 midweek moneymaker for doing 15 rebates, so I needed to accomplish that today. Needed to complete it, so I decided to do some lunchtime couponing. Had to share the rebates with my lovely people because I haven't did some of these rebates before, okay? Shout out to all the new subscribers to my channel. We are almost at 9,000. Yay! We are almost at 9,000. Y'all better do it, Coupon Crew. We growing, we growing. Do not despise small beginnings. All right, guys, let's jump into the haul. First rebate that I decided to do was on the Suave Luscious Curls. Okay, this is a shampoo. Shout out to the lovely person. I'm sorry, I do not recall who you are, but one of the lovely people in the comments of one of my videos, I think it was my last video, said that this was attaching to 2 rebates, and it is. Now, I scanned the other one, and the other one did not attach, okay? So you need to make sure that you're getting this one. This is the purple, and it's shampoo, okay? Now, this is priced $4.98 in my Walmart. No coupon, so I had to pay $4.98 in store. Now, if you do not feel comfortable attaching both of those rebates, then you unclick it, okay? But what is happening is there is a shampoo and conditioner rebate for $2, and there is a $2 styler rebate that is attaching to this as well. So after that $4 coming back, your final cost would be 98 cents. Now mine was a little better because I had any brand hair care for 25 cents, lowered my cost for this product for only 73 cents. So I think that was great, great, great. Luscious Curls, and it is cleanse and nourish for workable curly hair. It's sulfate free, and it does have a good smell. It does have a good smell, guys. So Crystal will probably try that on her hair one day. All right, so the next rebate I decided to do was on the Alba Botanicals. Okay, so these were priced $5.48 in my Walmart for a total of $10.96. Now, I did happen to have a $2 coupon that was stuck on the product. Not on this product, but it was stuck on some product in the past, and it was actually a body wash, okay? But the coupon says any Alba Botanica, and then it gives a size restriction. All right, so that coupon beat. The cashier pushed it through as a vendor coupon. I was cool with that. That dropped my cost to $8.96. Now, Ibotta is giving you back $7.67 when you purchase any combination of the 2. I actually got the shampoo and the conditioner, and I have tried both of these products before, and I do like them, okay? So the final cost was $1.29 for both products. I think that is amazing. Amazing. Next rebate, guys, was on the Suave men's body wash. Okay, this was priced $1.88. No coupon, so I had to pay $1.88 in store. There's 75 cents. I bought a rebate coming back, making your final cost $1.13. Yeah, deep clean exfoliating body wash. Smells pretty good. Get you some men stuff so you can throw some stuff in the basket for the men. Next rebate was on the Suave. This is the Suave Essentials Body Wash, which is basically like the lady version, okay? So I got the coffee and coconut. It's supposed to exfoliate. Dang, that thing smells like coffee for real, for real. Wow. Yeah, that thing really smells like coffee. Have y'all smelled that? Oh my goodness. Exfoliate coffee and coconut. That thing really smells like coffee. You're gonna smell like a cup of coffee washing in that. $1.88. No coupon, so I had to pay $1.88 in store. 75 cents coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $1.13. Next rebate was the Suave Milk and Honey hand soap, okay, priced $1.97. No coupon, so I paid $1.97 in store. There is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate coming back for a final cost of $1.22. No coupon, no coupon. I wish I did. Let's smell the milk and honey. We might as well. Yep, that smells good. It has a sweet smell to it. All right, the next rebate, guys, was these little crazy things. These little nerds gummy clusters. Now, I've heard people talking about these things in their videos, so I must try them today. Because I have never found these things in store when the rebate was out before, okay? These were priced $1.48. No coupon, so I had to pay $1.48 in store. There's 50 cents coming back from my bottom, making the final cost 98 cents. Let's bust it open. So good. Look how they look. That's weird. Y'all like that? Sweet and gummy, tangy and crunchy. I don't know about that. All right, next rebate, guys. I had to do that combo rebate again for the Oreos. Now, check this out. First of all, I tried to do this rebate yesterday at a different Walmart, and it was not attaching. The rebate was not attaching. I was like, you know what? I ain't got time for it. I decided today at my normal Walmart, and it still wasn't attaching, saying it does not match the product. I did it about 2 or 3 times, and the little message pops up, and then it tells me to send a picture. I sent them a picture, and then it said it was available and I could do the rebate. So I don't know what was up with that. I think there might have been a keying issue. But at any rate, these are priced $3.67 each. You must purchase 2, a Dynasty and some type of family size Oreo. I decided to get the lemon again. $7.34 for the 2. No coupon did I have, so I had to pay $7.34, okay? But there is $3.67 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $3.67. That's a great deal for 2 packs of Oreo cookies. Crystal's giving away Oreos again. All right, the next rebate. Oh, and also I had any item for 5 cents, but that's okay because it counted towards my count that I needed to accomplish my midweek moneymaker. So I wasn't complaining. Now, the next one was the Clean and Clear. I decided to do the Clean and Clear again, okay? This one is the Deep Cleaning Astringent, okay? Priced $4.34 in my Walmart. I did not have a paper coupon, so I actually used the coupons.com coupon of $1.50. So I had to pay $4.34 in store, but I uploaded my receipt to coupons.com, and I expect to get back my $1.50 from them. And there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 84 cents for the Clean and Clear. Now, the next rebate I did was one little lonely Shopkick, because y'all know if I keep using Shopkick gift cards, I must replenish my stock, okay? Let's replenish my stock. So I decided to get the Can 2 Jamaican Black Castor Oil Gel. I told you guys I've used this product and I do like it. Price $3.97 in my Walmart. Now, to get your in-store scan kicks, you need to make sure that you scan another, the smaller one, okay? The Taman Gel, I think that's what it's called, because this one does not attach, but because it's any, this is an any, okay? But it does work. I've done this several times, okay? So you're gonna get back from Shopkick $2.92, making the final cost only $1.05 for this huge container of hair gel. I think that is an amazing deal. Okay, let's go over the numbers. How much did everything cost? The total of all the products was $38.80. I had one coupon, which was $2, okay? That dropped my cost to $36.80. Now, I did redeem $10 in Shopkick gift cards. I did 2 transactions and I redeemed $5 for one, $5 for the other. So that dropped my cost to $26.80. So that's what I actually had to pay in store total. Now, I got back from Ibotta in rebates, $20.39. Then I got back my $5 for my 15 rebates for my midweek moneymaker. I got back $1 for completing my June level 2 bonus for 40 rebates. I expect to get back $1.50 from coupons.com, and I expect to get back $2.92 back from Shopkick for the hair gel. So that makes this absolutely free haul and a $4.01 money maker. I love it. I love it, guys. That's the reason why I love to do Ibotta and I love to do Shopkick, because it's so easy to roll money, so easy to roll rebates. Shout out to the lovely people that used Coupon and Crystal's referral code for Shopkick. 2 people did. I appreciate you guys so very much. Thank you. Thank you. Gave Coupon and Crystal some coupon money. Y'all know how I feel about that. All right, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you have completed your midweek money maker. Let us know in the comments below of the video where you stand, if you're finished, if you're doing it, or if you just chilling. And any rebates that Coupon and Crystal did not discuss in this video that you know is the good deal that the crew would like to know about, won't you share? Sharing is caring, right? All right, guys, that is it. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.